Friends, today I'll demonstrate the 12 steps of Surya Namaskar, the names of the asanas and the significance of breathing involved in this exercise, with special emphasis on Ashtang Namaskar, the 8-point pose. Let's start. First, Pranamasana. Second, Hast Utthan Asana. Third, Hast Padasana. Fourth, Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Fifth, Chaturang Dandasana. Sixth, Ashtang Namaskar, 8-point pose. Seventh, Bhujang Asana. Eighth, Parvatasana. Ninth, Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. 10th, Hast Padasana. 11th, Hast Utthan Asana. 12th, Pranamasana. Again, Pranamasana, Hast Utthan Asana, Hast Padasana, Ashwa Sanchalan Asana, Chaturang Dandasana, Ashtang Namaskar, Bhujang Asana, Parvat Asana, Ashwa Sanchalan Asana, Hast Padasana, Hast Utthan Asana, Pranamasana. Let's repeat. Pranamasana, prayer pose. Hast Utthan Asana, backward stretching. Hast Padasana, forward bending. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana, Chaturang Dandasana, Ashtang Namaskar, 8-point pose, knee down, chest down, chin down. Bhujang Asana और कोबरा पोज. पर्वतासना, माउंटेन पोज. अश्व संचालन आसना, हस्त पद्मासना, फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग. हस्त उत्थान आसना, प्रणामासना, प्रेयर पोज. प्रेयर पोज, बैकवर्ड स्ट्रेचिंग, फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग. अश्व संचालन आसना, चतुरंग दंडासना, Ashtang Namaskar, knee down, chest down, chin down. Cobra Asana, Bhujang Asana, mountain pose, Parvatasana, Ashwa Sanchalan Asana, Hast Padasana, Hast Utthan Asana, backward stretching and prayer pose. Now, I will demonstrate the significance of breathing. Let's start. Normal breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Normal breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Normal breathing. Normal breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Normal breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. breathe in normal breathing. Now let me come to the Ashtanga Namaskar, the 6th pose. It comes like that: knee down, chest down and chin down. This is the 8-point pose or Ashtanga Namaskar. 2 feet, 2 knees, 2 palms, 1 chest and 1 chin. So total 8. This is called 8-point pose or Ashtanga Namaskar. Knee down, chest down and chin down. Watch carefully. Okay. Now let me repeat it. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now this third step, 1, 2 and 3. Hast Padasana can be done this way or this way. Similarly, 4th and the 5th. 5th asana can be done a Parvat asana, mountain pose, or it can be done in Chaturanga Dandasana. I'll demonstrate again the Ashtanga Namaskar. Knee down, chest down, chin down. From here, Bhujanga Asana, Parvatasana, Ashwasanchalan Asana, Hasta Padasana, Hasta Utthan Asana, Pranamasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thank you friends for watching my video. This was my special video on Ashtanga Namaskar, the 8-point pose for the sun salutation. I am Dr. Shipra, heart surgeon. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell. Stay home, stay safe, stay fit and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you all.